Hey guys, what is up? It is Ashley. So today we are going to be unboxing some Funko Pops. I'm so excited. So let's get in the video. Okay, so the first one we have is Ariel. It's number 564. And it's part of the Little Mermaid 30-year collection. I think that's all. I think I broke it. There we go. Oh my goodness. Look at her hair. Her dress. This is like so cute. Move her head a little bit. Wait, this is one of my favorite movies when I was a kid. Look at that, isn't she pretty? Okay. Let's put her back in her case. So the second one we have is Jessie from Toy Story 4. And this is number 526. Oh, that one was easier. I love the way her hair is designed. It's so aesthetic. Love the hat. There's her little outfit. Cute girl outfit. There's her little boots. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Put her back in her case. Okay, so we have Ariel and Jessie. Okay, so I'm honestly loving the Ariel one because, like, that was my favorite movie growing up. I think this one's my favorite of these two. Tell me what you guys think. Ariel or Jessie? Ariel or Jessie? And if you like this video, comment down below. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to become part of the Uniqueen fam. turn on post notifications, and stay flawless.